this video, I'll show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop now. See if you are actually eligible to upgrade to Windows 11. What you're going to want to do is come down to your search icon down in the bottom left hand corner and then go ahead and click on this and type update into the search box. Now underneath this match, you should see the option to check for updates. So what you want to do is click onto this. That's going to go ahead and open up a window like this. Now Windows Edition is being rolled out. As you can see, I've currently do not get the option to update to Windows 11. However, if you come over to the right hand side, you can see this little link here where it says installing Windows 11 on eligible devices. Go ahead and give this a click, and it's going to give you some instructions on how to install Windows 11. So what you're going to want to do first is make sure that you verify the minimum system requirement using the PC Health Check app. So what you want to do is click the link here to make sure you have got the necessary requirements. Once you've gone ahead and done that, all you need to do is wait until you are eligible. So as you can see down here, it says Windows updating setting. If you are upgrading from Windows 10, we recommend you wait until you are notified through Windows Update that the upgrade is ready for your device to check if Windows 11 is ready for your device. Of course, what you would do is come across to the update screen. So this one here, and when Windows 11 is ready and your device is eligible, you will see the option here to upgrade to Windows 11. So that's how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thank you guys for watching.